Hey, good morning, everybody. Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? I can remember not that long ago that I would read articles or hear a YouTube video every now and then talking about, oh no, central banks, yeah, someday they're going to get, digital currency and it's going to replace, fiat currency. And I'm like, wow, like I wonder if that would happen in my lifetime. Now, I'm not that old, I'm only 60, but I saw this article yesterday on technologyreview.com, which of course I will put in the link below. But get a load of this. At least 15 central banks are serious about getting into digital currency. So the thing that I like about the title, it says at least 15. 15 central banks that are willing to talk about it. I wonder how many other central banks aren't willing to talk about it, but they're serious about getting into digital currencies. Maybe in my lifetime I'll see it, who knows? The market for digital currency is down, but certainly not out. I guess so by this article. Even if private cryptocurrencies are falling in popularity, it appears likely we are headed toward an era of national digital currencies that are backed by central banks. Okay. Central banks are the institutions that set monetary policy for a nation. I think most of you know that. They manage inflation and act as a lender of last resort, such as the Bank of England in the UK and the Federal Reserve in the United States. In fact, no fewer than 15 such central banks around the world are taking the idea seriously, and many others are at least exploring it, according to a recent report from the IMF, that being the International Monetary Fund. The two main reasons for the trend, according to the report: first, new forms of digital money are shrinking the role of cash. Besides that, some central banks are interested in using the technology to reach the hundreds of millions of people who don't have access to a bank account or access to modern financial services. Get a load of this chart. You guys know that follow me. I love charts. So this is financial inclusion, cost efficiency, diminishing cash usage. And Norway, diminishing cash usage, and Sweden. We know a fair bit of people that live in other countries that visit us. And I always ask them, like, hey, do you have any, like dollar bills or change from your country just so I can, that you could give me so I could show to my grandkids, years from now. And we had some friends visit from Norway not that long ago, like 2016. And I'm like, hey, do you have like a dollar bill? I said, I'll give you the equivalent of US cash. And he looked at me, he's like, no. He's like, I haven't seen money, in Norway in quite some time. I'm like, well, what do you mean? He's like, everybody uses credit cards or debit cards. No one, walks around. I shouldn't say no one. Very few people in Norway and Sweden and other places do actually cash transactions like at the grocery store. I'm like, interesting. Okay. So take a look at this article, and I don't know in my lifetime if fiat currency will ever go by the wayside, but it's interesting that Sweden's central bank, the Risk Bank, I believe it's called. Anyhow, Crypto Mentor 99, I'm thankful for each and every one of you making some videos this morning. Mrs. Crypto Mentor 99 is out shopping. And yeah, let me know what you think. Is it good? Is it bad? Is it indifferent about central banks and digital currencies? Is that an oxymoron? Should those two thoughts even be in the same sentence? Central banks and digital currencies. Anyhow, I'll put the link below. Love y'all, and we'll be in touch. See you later. Bye bye.